Back to the channel, y'all. So it's your girl Annabelle checking in live. I'm gonna be remodeling this wall here. I'm gonna be adding some shelves to it. I got 3 shelves from IKEA. They're about $20 each, and I need to put them over here, but they are too big. Like literally like this much too big. I'm gonna see if IKEA is able to cut them down for me. So I'm gonna load them up in the car. Then they're super light though. The thing about IKEA is their stuff is really, really light. So they are called the lac shelves. If y'all interested in some shelves, they're called the lac shelves from IKEA, about $20 each. They have a 47 or 41 inch one. They also have a 74 inch one. The 74 was gonna be way too long. I was originally gonna put them on this wall, but I was like, nah, I need a designated beauty area. And this is gonna be the area. I might even paint this wall like a light color pink. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do that yet, but yeah, that's the vibe. Because every time I need to film a beauty video, I'd be looking like, where am I gonna do it? Where am I gonna... It needs to be a spot. Organization. It's Q4, getting everything kind of organized, getting everything nice and good so that I could just be my best self and remove all the hurdles along my way. So let's head over to Home Depot and let's see what they got for us. Hopefully they could do it, because otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do with the shelves, to be honest. I might have to even maybe like put the shelves on this wall. I don't like that. Just because it's gonna be weird because they're not as long. It wouldn't be the worst thing on this wall though. Okay, so that's the plan. If they can cut them down, they will go on this wall. If they cannot cut them down, they will go over here on this wall. But if they can cut them down, what's that? If they cannot cut them down, they're gonna go over here on this wall. But now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, this wall, it might look good on this wall, to be honest. And then maybe I could do like some other, like another shelf. But I still want to go to Home Depot. What is that? But I still want to go to Home Depot though and still see if I can get some paint, because now I'm really itching to paint this wall right here. Like a light pink, like a very, very light pink, like lighter than that pink back there. Like a light pink. So let's see what they got for us. Hey guys, so we are at Home Depot. They don't cut it for you, but I could get a circular saw, but I was like, these nails, I don't think I'm ready to do all that. But we're over here in the paint section now, and I'm thinking about getting some pink paint for the wall, but I'm not really too sure on how to do that. And I'm kind of out of breath, you guys, because you guys won't believe what just happened to me. Literally driving and a deer jumps out of nowhere and hit the car. Like, I'm still like trying to compose myself, because it was just a lot just happening right now. Like, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do it, but it literally just jumped out of nowhere. Like, I can't. But let's look at some pink, because typically the paint that you see when you put it on the wall, it gets a little bit darker. So these are the paint selections. Like, Pink Poses looks pretty. I just want like a light pink color that's like a hint of a pink, because when you put 2 of these, it's gonna be a little bit darker. I mean, I like this color right here, Pink Poses. Like, it's like a light little pink color. It's cute. What y'all think? Or Pink Poses or Lotus. I mean, these ain't really that different from each other, but I think I'm gonna do this one. Let's get some paint now. So they have flat, matte, eggshell, satin. I'm gonna get eggshell, so it's like a little, like, you know, little something to it, and not so flat. I don't like flat. Look at it. So I'm just gonna get that, especially since it's gonna be one wall. So we didn't find the shelf, but we are gonna paint now. So I hope it looks cute. What's up, you guys? Today is a painting day. So as you guys saw in the vlog already, I already went to Home Depot. I got my can of paint, and I ended up going with this color, which is called Pink Poses. I was gonna say Pink Roses, but it's Pink Poses. So this is a pretty pink color, like that. It's pretty in pink. I'm going to paint this wall right here. I'm also gonna finish painting this door white. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today because this wall might take a long time. I might be vanished, might be exhausted, but the main point is to paint this wall, paint that door, paint this door right here, and then to go and just do the trimming. I'll probably do the trimming tomorrow, but we'll see. That's just the painting goal today. So I also got the kit where you have the 2 rollers, a small roller, the big roller, and a brush. And you also have that little painting tray thing. The good thing about these is that the first layer is this white thing, so you can put your paint in there. But then you can also grab a cup or grab something else to put the paint in, especially if I'm doing the trimming. If I'm doing the trimmings, I'm not gonna use this big roller. You're gonna need a small brush. So that's what we're gonna do first. But first, we're gonna grab the brush that's in here and we're gonna do the outline first, and then we're gonna use the rolly things to just roll through. But it's just this wall, which also has a window, so it shouldn't take us that long. Fingers crossed. This is the wall right here, just going down here. When I first had made my mind up on this paint, I thought this was the best color, but I really want to do an accent wall on this side. So this is what it's looking like. I gotta move this little vanity corner over here that has my shelves, has my drawers, and we're gonna get that out the way, and then that way I'll leave everything else on that side, but we'll move that. So yeah, this is it. And then I also want to get the edges of this wall right here, and we're not gonna turn the camera to the left. Oops, because it's a big mess. But that's what we got so far, guys. Let's do it. So I didn't end up using all of the paint. I still have a bunch of paint left over after letting the wall dry. I'll show you guys the actual color tomorrow when it's better and brighter. But so far you can kind of see a little bit of it happening right here. But I'm just gonna dump this paint back into the paint can, close it up, and then just prepare to paint the borders like a nice crisp white. But one wall, you don't need a whole gallon of paint, just so you guys know. This is literally just dried up paint. I had let the paint set to let the wall dry, and this is just dried up paint, so don't need to worry about that. I'm just gonna put this in a plastic bag and just fold it up like this, and just put it in a plastic bag. Perfect. Okay, you guys, it is the next morning, and this is what the wall is looking like. Oops, sorry. This is what the wall is looking like. It's a pretty pink, light pink color. It's actually kind of very much as pictured on the paint can. So this is a white wall right here, and this is the color right here. I am gonna go back in and touch up the white wall. You guys see that little spot right there. I'm gonna touch it up. And the floor as well, the bottom. This hasn't been painted in a while, so I am gonna go and touch it up, and I'm also gonna touch up the borders of the window. But it looks so pretty. I like it.